How's it going, everyone? This is Milton Washington Tech 1999 back here again with more items to unbox. Today is the 12th of November, Sunday, and it is 4:30 p.m. Here's two more LIFX Z bulbs for my light, my main light. This is a surge protector, cable management accessories, couple of coaxial couplers so that I can extend cables farther, and also something special is in here. You're about to see what it is right now. This is the Midland 74200 NOAA weather radio. It is officially my 23rd weather radio in my collection at this point. As far as I know, I didn't get any other weather radios, so here's everything out of their respective packages. So you can see this, it's a pretty wide surge protector. It has 16 ports, or 16 outlets, and 2 USB outlets also. Here's the 2 coaxial connectors. Then the 2 LIFX bulbs. And then the weather radio, of course. And lastly, there's cable ties of varying sizes and adhesive mounts so that I can mount thicker cables like my PS2 component cable and whatnot without having to use my little clips and risk breaking. So I guess we'll go ahead and leave it there.